In your browser, search for OBS Studio download. Open the first link. Select your operating system to download the OBS Studio. Just click on Download Installer and install the OBS Studio on your computer. It's completely free. Once the OBS Studio installed, go ahead and launch it. And then you get this kind of interface. Here, find out the scenes box. We have to create a new scene. So click this plus icon under scene. And scene name, I'm typing here screen record and clicking on OK. Now select the newly created scene. And then under sources, click this plus icon. Select display capture. OK. Click on capture mode and select automatic. Select your display here. And to capture your screen with cursor, make sure to check this option. Click on OK. And now you can go ahead and resize your screen just like this. Okay, now to add webcam, again come to sources box, click on this plus icon, and this time select here video capture device. Click on OK. Now click on this device drop down and select your webcam device. Then click on OK. Once your webcam added, you can resize your webcam by clicking any of these red dot, just like this. You can also change your webcam position. And now to record your display and webcam with your microphone audio, then under sources, click this plus icon again. Select audio input capture. OK. And select your microphone here. The same way, you can also add your audio output capture. Okay, now before starting record, go to settings. In settings, select output, and here select recording tab and click this browse option and select a folder where you want to export your screen record file. And then recording format, select MP4, and video encoder, select this option, and audio encoder, you can just select any option from here. And then go to video section and base canvas, go ahead and select a canvas or resolution for your video. Then go to audio, and here mic auxiliary audio, select here your microphone, which microphone currently you are using. Then click on apply, click on OK. Now all you have to need, click on start recording, and now OBS is recording your screen and your microphone. Now you can just minimize your OBS Studio and open any app or browser, and OBS is recording your entire screen with your webcam. And to stop recording, go back to OBS Studio, click on stop recording, and to get the video file, go to file, show recordings. In here you'll find the screen recording video just like this. Thanks for watching.